Good morning to all. Today our chapter is vector chapter. Cross product of two vectors. Cross product of two vectors. Let us consider A is a vector having three components a1i plus b1j plus c1k. B is a vector having component a2i plus b2j plus c2k. Where I, j, k are the unit vector along x-axis, y-axis, z-axis respectively. That already discussed in case of dot product. And your A cross B, the formula is A mod B mod magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B into sin theta into n cap. N cap is a unit vector to the plane containing perpendicular to the plane containing vector A and vector B. This is the geometrical figure. A is a vector, B is a vector. The plane containing A and B vector, angle between A and B vector is theta, and n cap is the unit vector which is perpendicular to the plane containing vector A as well as vector B. If theta is equal to 0, then A cross B equal to how much? Sin 0, 0. A cross equal to 0. Condition for the two vectors to be parallel in the same direction, that is the condition A cross B equal to 0, because sin 0, 0. When the two vectors are given parallel or same direction, that means A cross B equal to 0. How to find out A cross B? Let us see. A cross B is equal to ijk in determinate form. The first vector component a1, b1, c1. Second vector component, that is a2, b2, c2. In determinate form you have to write, then after that you have to break using the determinate properties. I whole into this row omit, column omit, b1, c2 minus c1, b2. Again minus j, the second one is minus j, column omit, this row omit, a1, c2 minus c1, a2 plus k, this row omit, column omit, a1, b2 minus b1, a2, k whole into this. This is all about the cross product of two vectors, the formula that I have written here. Let us go to question part. See the question number 1. Find a vector of magnitude 9 which is perpendicular to both the vectors, that is 4i minus j plus 3k and that is minus 2i plus j minus 2k. So let us consider first vector, that is 4i minus j plus 3k as a vector. Second vector, that is b vector, is minus 2i plus j minus 2k. And you have to find out first of all A cross B. Just to see A cross B, that is ijk, you have to write first vector component 4 minus 1 3, second vector component, that is minus 2 1 minus 2. You have to break. After breaking you are getting minus I plus 2j plus 2k. This is A cross B. Then you have to find out A cross B mod, magnitude of A cross B, that is I coefficient minus 1 whole square, J coefficient 2 whole square, K coefficient 2 whole square. It is coming 9 root over, that is 3. Then unit vector perpendicular to both the vector A and B, the formula is A cross B by A cross B mod. What is A cross B? That is minus I plus 2j plus 2k divided by A cross B mod, you got 3. Means 1 by 3 minus I plus minus you have to give, because root over given, plus minus 1 by 3 minus I plus 2j plus 2k. This is unit vector perpendicular to the vector A and B. Next we need to find a required vector having magnitude 9. A required vector having magnitude 9 means you have to multiply 9 with the unit vector. Just see. If you multiply 9 with unit vector, then 9 whole into 1 by 3 minus I plus 2j plus 2k. Because question giving required vector having magnitude 9. After finding unit vector, just you have to multiply the magnitude, that is 9. Then it will be 3 whole into minus I plus 2j plus 2k. Let us go question number 2. Question number 2, it is given, find the area of the parallelogram determined by the vectors, that is I plus 2j plus 3k. Question number 2, find the area of the parallelograms determined by the vectors I plus 2j plus 3k. The second one, that is 3i minus 2j plus k. So let us consider first vector A vector, that is I plus 2j plus 3k, and second vector, that is 3i plus minus 2j plus k. Okay, two vector given. Therefore the vector area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are represented by the vector, that is A vector and B vector, the formula is A cross B mod. First you have to find A cross B, then you have to find the magnitude. A cross B formula is I, j, k. The first vector component 1, 2, 3, second vector component 3 minus 2, 1. After simplification you are getting 8i plus 8j minus 8k. then area of parallelogram will be A cross B magnitude, means I coefficient 8 whole square, J coefficient 8 whole square, K coefficient minus 8 whole square. It is coming 8 root 3 square unit. In this way, question number 2 also completed. Let's go next question. Question number 3, show that the area of a parallelogram having diagonals 3i plus j minus 2k and I minus 3j plus 4k is 5 root 3 square unit. That means first vector is, that is 3i plus j minus 2 a vector, b vector, second vector I minus 3j plus 4. This is first diagonal given, second diagonal given, and you have to find out area of parallelogram. So formula is, first you have to find a cross b. Ijk, first vector component c1 minus 2, second vector component that is 2, sorry 1, I coefficient here 1 minus 3 and k coefficient 4. After simplification you are getting minus 2i minus 14j minus 10k. Next you have to find out A cross B mod, magnitude of A cross B, that is I coefficient minus 2 whole square, J coefficient minus 14 whole square and K coefficient minus 10 whole square. It is coming 300 root over, that is 10 root 3. The area of parallelogram, if diagonal given, area of parallelogram formula is 1 by 2 A cross B magnitude. The half of 10 root 3 is coming 5 root 3 square unit. In this way, question number 3 also completed. Let us go question number 4. If A, that is 0, 1, 1, B, position vector given 2, 3, minus 2, C given 22, 19 and minus 5, D given 1, minus 2, 1 are the vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD, find its area. So first we'll draw one quadrilateral ABCD having A 0, 1, 1, B 2, 3, minus 2, C 22, 19, minus 5, D given 1, minus 2, 1. So first of all, area formula of quadrilateral ABCD, you have to write half AC cross BD. The two diagonal, one is AC, another is BD, half AC cross BD. So how to find out AC? AC means position vector of C minus position vector of A. You have to put the value, you will getting 22i minus 18j minus 6k. Next you will find out BD. BD means position vector of D minus position vector of B. If I put the value, you will get, you are getting minus I minus 5j plus 3k. After finding AC and BD, then you have to find out AC cross BD. Cross product of AC and BD. Ijk, AC component 22, 18, minus 6, BD component minus 1, minus 5, 3. Next you have to open the bracket, that is using determinant properties. I whole into, it is coming 24i minus 60j minus 92k. Next you have to find out AC cross BD magnitude. AC cross BD magnitude means it is coming 12640 root over. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD formula you write a half AC cross BD magnitude mod. It is coming 56.21 square unit. Okay. In this way, question number 4, the cross product of two vectors I have completed. Let us go next question number 5, last question today. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are A given 3, minus 1, 2 and B given 1, minus 1, minus 3, C given 4, minus 3, 1. So first of all, you have to find out area of triangle, that is half AB cross AC. Half AB cross AC. So before finding AB, that is B minus A. AB means B minus A. The first point is A, second point is B, and third point is C. You have mentioned it. AB means B minus A. AC C minus A. After that AB cross AC, Ijk component of AB, that is minus 2, 0, minus 5. AC component 1, minus 2, minus 1. If I open the bracket, determinant properties minus 10i minus 7j plus 4k. This is all about AB cross AC. Let us say next. AB cross AC it will be minus 10 whole square plus minus 7 whole square plus 4 whole square is coming 165 root over 12.84. The area of triangle ABC formula is 1 by 2, 12.84 is coming 6.42 square unit. Question number 6. If A mod given 10, B mod given 2 and A dot B given 12, find A cross B. So before that we should know the formula related to it. A dot B whole square plus A cross B mod whole square is equal to A mod square into B mod square. Now put the value of A dot B, that is 12 whole square, A cross B mod whole square equal to 10 whole square into B means 2 whole square. It is coming 400 minus this is 12 whole square 144 256 root over coming 16. Okay, in this up to question number 6 I have completed today. Thank you for today class. Next day I do more sums.